Hey, welcome back, tech and writing enthusiasts. My name is Mark Kelly. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that I love technology and writing and finding ways of bringing the two things together. So I'm always on the lookout for stuff that could help my productivity, help me communicate more effectively, and generally bring me a little joy. And with that in mind, I'm excited to share my experience with a recent gadget to my collection, and that is the Kindle Scribe. This thin slab of metal and glass merges the worlds of reading and writing and offers a uniquely and strangely satisfying digital experience. But before I go into the detail of it, you might be curious as to why I've only just bought this device now when it's actually been available for a while. The truth is, I wasn't going to buy it. I wasn't desperate for a new Kindle. And on this particular occasion, I thought I'd let the early adopters identify and report any issues, allowing Amazon to refine it before I invested. But obviously, I've not left it long enough. After all, it was only released about 4 months ago, around December 2022. And that's not nearly enough time for those early adopters to report the bugs and for Amazon to sort stuff out. So yeah, I was going to leave it a little longer before considering a purchase, but obviously I didn't. I bought it because my friend Dan brought his to a recent coffee shop conflab, and well, I was immediately hooked. I loved it and I couldn't wait to have it in my grasp. However, this thing isn't cheap and some sacrifices have had to have been made. Bye-bye iPad mini. I only just felt like we were getting to know one another. Oh well. Now that I have the Kindle Scribe, I'm pleased with it for the most part. So I wanted to share my joy with you. Now, obviously the primary purpose of the Kindle Scribe is to offer the experience of writing on paper while integrating the benefits of digital tech. Hence that name, Scribe, which is an old-fashioned word for copyist or a writer. Of course, it's excellent for reading too, as most Kindles are, but it is those note-taking capabilities that just raise it up another level. I think the Scribe provides a convenient solution for those who want those traditional but also modern methods of reading and writing. Now, a writing pad needs a stylus, and one comes in the package. Here we go. So no separate purchase is required. He's looking at you, Remarkable, which I think you have to buy its stylus separately. This particular stylus is terrific to hold and use. It's got the right amount of weight. Maybe it could be a little bit heavier, but it's just about right. But it's got the right amount of friction, because you see, it feels familiar. You know, as you put this pen on here, it feels like paper, but it's got those modern capabilities of a digital writing instrument. And I think its responsiveness and its precision are excellent. Now, they might not be entirely up to Apple Pencil standards in terms of responsiveness, but it's so close. And this gives, ensures that every stroke, every scribble or sketch accurately captures your creative intent. And in addition, as you kind of glide the stylus across the screen, it delivers this really satisfying tactile experience, which is the closest I've ever felt to truly replicating pen on paper on a digital device. Even the paper-like on an iPad, it's better than that. In fact, it was that feel of writing that really sold me on it when my previously mentioned friend Dan let me try it out on his machine. It's got this really great blend of form and function, and it allows the Kindle Scribe stylus to provide an awesome writing experience. But it's not without its drawbacks. As I've already mentioned, the initial investment might be too steep for some, and the device's reliance on a proprietary file format can be limiting. And while the e-ink display is really good on the eyes, it doesn't offer the same vibrancy as a full colour screen. But then you're not buying this to watch movies on. For those who value organisation and accessibility, like me, the Kindle Scribe's cloud storage and syncing features make sure that your notes and documents are always at your fingertips. And familiarising yourself with the Kindle Scribe and its interface will only take a short time. And once you've mastered the device, I think it's got the potential to become an indispensable part of your daily routine, as it is becoming mine. And then for book lovers, the Kindle Scribe offers a customizable reading experience, as do all Kindles. You can adjust the font size, the style and spacing to suit your preferences. Makes it a real pleasure to read on. But I've got to mention at this point, if you're used to a normal size Kindle, handling this for the first time might be a bit of a surprise. At 10.2 inches, it's not exactly a bedtime reading device, at least not in my opinion. But in all other situations, I think it will work. It's got an extensive Kindle library, obviously, and this ensures that you've got access to countless books, magazines and articles catering to a wide range of interests. And due to that larger screen, the magazine-style publications work reasonably well on this device. In the area of personal growth and productivity, which were my main reasons for buying the Scribe, it serves really well as a tool for goal setting, planning and reflection. Its digital journaling capability provides a private space to record your thoughts, ambitions, achievements, fostering the all-important mindfulness and intentionality. And you can also add notes to the books you're reading, although this is a bit clunky because you can't write in the margins, so there's no writing in the actual book yet. But taking notes like this, it's still an appreciated feature. However, as of right now, I don't think you can view those written notes outside of the device. That's a bit of a downer. Maybe they'll change that as they go forward. As with any technology, the Scribe may not be for everyone, but I think it presents a compelling option for those who appreciate the combination of reading and writing on a single device. Its portability, its battery life make it an excellent companion for travelers, students and busy professionals like me. The slim design, the lightweight construction allow you to slip it easily into a backpack or a shoulder bag, ensuring that you can take it anywhere. And that stupidly long-lasting battery means you won't need to worry about constantly recharging, giving you more time to focus on your work, reading or other creative pursuits. Now, we all know that technology is ever evolving and the Scribe is no exception. This device may become even more versatile and user-friendly as updates and improvements are introduced. So for example, a very recent update added a more extensive pen selection. Handwriting recognition may come in the future, and this is my hope, capability to sync it with third-party apps like Dropbox, or maybe even some of Microsoft's offerings. With time and refinements, the Kindle Scribe, I think, has the potential to turn into a more feature-rich device. I think it's a really thoughtfully designed tool too. And although it might not be perfect for everyone, its versatility, its potential make it an intriguing option for those seeking to enhance their productivity. Carefully weigh up the pros and cons, and you might find that the Kindle Scribe is a tool you've been waiting for to elevate your personal and professional endeavours. The Kindle Scribe starts at £330 for the 16GB storage with the basic stylus. However, you can go as high as £410 for the 64GB storage and the premium stylus. And this premium stylus has a built-in eraser, which are there at the top, and a little button on the side which you can assign different uses such as highlighting. At the moment, I believe Amazon is offering 20% off these prices with an appropriate trade-in. So is the Kindle Scribe now on your wish list? Or do other devices such as the Remarkable with its more mature offering seem more desirable? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please leave a comment below and let me know. Let's talk. Okay, that's all for now. Happy note taking, and I'll see you in the next video.